Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y madadala galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ikamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupa. Listen up, yo, I got a story to tell. A version of my ghetto where life felt for real. Someone called it hell, but to me it was heaven. God gave me the ways, amazing ways of living. How would you feel if you had to catch a meal? Build a hut to live in, to eat and chill in. Having to pump the water out of the ground. The way you put it down, utilizing what is around. Land for farming, river for fishing. Everyone helping each other whenever they can. We're making it happen, from nothing to something. That's how we be surviving back at home. Lapit mga listen up, yo! Galing sa bayan ko, nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupa. Man, it feels good to be back at home. And it's been a decade on a journey all alone. I was 14 when I first left Philippines. I've been away half my life. To be back to building, living next to my mom. Home cooked meal, man. I felt complete, my emotions I feel now. Life has changed for me in the US. Back at home, man. Life was a mess, so I guess sometimes life stress will get you down. On your knees, brother, wish I could have helped you out. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y may dala galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, mga pangyayaring sa lupa. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Sing it with me. Galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupa. Kumusta mga kabayan? Maraming salamat for coming tonight and supporting the Black Eyed Peas. I'm so excited right now. I'm lost for words, but I'm so proud to be back home to the country I love, my boy on Filipinas. And thank you to my team for visiting the Philippines. I want to give a big shout out to my family. Say hello, Mama Diab. And also I want to say hello to Will.i.am's mom. Let's say hello,